Hey everyone, it's an exciting day. I've ordered a new laptop because my old one is just giving up on me. I'm doing lots of stuff with AI now and it just is not working for me. It's freezing up when I'm trying to run applications and do videos at the same time. I haven't bought a new laptop in many years. I'm gonna splash out to make great videos. I've decided to go for a Lenovo Legion. I need something that's powerful, but I also need something that's quiet. I'm not going to make a loud humming noise with the fans when I'm trying to record videos at the same time. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I've never done one of these on camera. I thought I'd do an unboxing so you can have a look if you're thinking about a new laptop and you're thinking about a Lenovo. I'm getting no payback from Lenovo, by the way. I did my own research and I decided to go for this laptop. It's quite a high spec laptop. It's got an i7 processor. It's the Gen 10 model. It is got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 580, 16 gigabytes RAM in the graphics card, and it's got 32 gigabytes of RAM. I should have gone for the 64, unfortunately I didn't, but I suppose I can always upgrade later. Yeah, so got a beefy machine. I don't even know what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet, so I've got my little knife over here. Got my box. I'm going to switch over to the other screen so you can have a look at what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see it over there. Cool, the box hasn't even been opened yet. I'm just going to knife it quickly. Open. There we go. The box over here has come from China, so apparently built in China and shipped over. It's taken about 2 weeks to get to me. There we go. Let's have a look. Put that box down there. What have we got here? Alright, it's got some sort of seal over here. I'll break that. There we go. Lucky bamboo handle. Nice. A little box over there. And the laptop itself, wow, smaller than I thought it would be. 16-inch, I think I went for. Just going to put the box down there. Wrap it off. It's upside down. Turn it around. Oh, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Put that down there. Feels a little bit plasticky. I suppose that's what to expect these days. It's not going to be metal. It's not very thick, but it is quite heavy. You can imagine because it's got a high spec, it's going to be heavier than usual. If you want to have a look, looks good. I like it. Got that sort of protruding back side of it, but I suppose you need the good fan system if you don't want it to make a noise, otherwise it's going to have a loud sounding fan. And then what else have we got? We got the trackpad. Seems quite small, but that's workable. I'll try not to use a trackpad anyway. I try to use the mouse whenever possible. So yeah, that's it. I wonder how you turn it on. I'm just gonna turn it on. No power. Not turning on. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Let's have a look in the box. What have we got in the box? We've got a power cable. There we go. Oh, it's a massive power box that comes with it. So it's just quite simple in there. It's just this pretty big power unit and this power cable thing. So I'm just going to undo that. Yeah, so I got it with Windows. I'm used to using Windows. I use Mac as well, but I actually prefer Windows, to be honest. I'm just going to plug this in quickly. Once you've used something for a long time, it's just much easier to use it, and I find Windows quite versatile for all the applications that I use, and then I can obviously spin up virtual machines if I need to use Linux or anything else. So loads of RAM to be able to do that. Okay, so the power unit is pretty hefty on this laptop, I have to say. Obviously it needs all that power to do all the things that I want to do. So plug that in. What have we got on here? Just if you want to have a look at the ports quickly. So we have on this side the graphics ports, the USB-C and the normal USB drives, and two more USBs on this side. If you have a look there, and you've got a Oh, you can turn the camera off on the laptop with a little switch there, and it's even got a network cable jack, which is quite useful. Headphone jack. Okay, so let's plug this guy in, see what happens. I think we're going to take off. Okay, it's plugged in. Hoping that it's going to turn on, otherwise I'll cry. Yes, we've got power. You can see, oh, nice multicolored keyboard. It's turning on. Legion. Cool, I'm really excited. Hopefully this will be able to handle all the workloads that I want to do. I'm sure it will be. Very beefy machine. My old laptop, I can hear it purring in the background, and I can't hear a thing from this laptop, which is a really good sign. So that's the main thing, is performance and noise. My old laptop's really noisy, just because I just can't handle the load. So that's the view. Oh, there's some pretty cool lights at the back. I think you can disable those somewhere, so it might be a bit wild if I travel and have those on. But yeah, alright, it's letting me Windows 11 in the UK, so I will just continue to set that up. So first thoughts.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
So yeah, I think first impressions seems pretty cool. I like this resolution on the screen's nice. The look and feel's nice. Trackpad's a little bit small. It's quite a big laptop. Power unit's very big and heavy. But I look forward to using it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully that's helpful. Anyone looking for a laptop, this is the Lenovo Legion G10. You can customize it to your spec, but I think it's going to be good. Look forward to using it. Speak to you all soon. Bye.